Don't throw it away just yet. Sometimes you can fix it with just a few simple tunes. Keep watching and I'll show you how.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, look at that. It keeps cutting in and out. First, let's check the battery and see what condition it is. On the check. I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. I also built a battery for impact wrench here. You can see that these two contact pins are loose. It doesn't work properly. Let's try using this. Alright, after using this simple trick to fix the problem, let's test it and see if it works. Maybe it works.
Yahoo!
Okay, now let's put it back together and test this more thoroughly. Now let's take a closer look at this battery pack. I think there's something wrong with this. It's so dangerous. Sorry, I don't have enough time to rebuild this battery pack right now. I'll review it properly in a future video to make it safer and more reliable. See you in the next one. Hey, hold on. There are many useful videos on my channel, so let's stick around and you will get informative information on my channel. Sometimes you can use a simple trick to fix the battery or to fix your tune.